how to use Lumen 5. Hey everyone and welcome, we hope you're all doing great. In this video I'll be talking about Lumen 5 and how to get started using it, and basically I'll just show you these steps on getting started with Lumen 5. So basically, if you didn't know, Lumen 5 is a platform that allows you to create text videos. So you can actually go ahead, if you have some sort of essay that you want to turn into a video where you can, have a moving background with some sort of media, and then, the text is going to show up in all sorts of animations. You can actually just use Lumen 5, and it's just basically going to create this video for you. It does have heavy AI assistance, so it's going to help you quite a lot. So as you can see here, grow your brand with video creation made easy with AI. So before we get started and jump into how to use it, let's talk about the pricing real quick. Now, I need to say before we jump into these plans, it does actually offer a free plan forever. So you can see community plan is going to be free forever. And this is going to be what's included within the free plan. It's going to have a Lumen 5 watermark, which you cannot remove. And then you'll have 720p video resolution, 5 videos a month, and then 2 minutes of AI voiceover if that's what you want. So there's a lot of stuff also that are going to be locked behind these plans here. I'm not going to go through each one of them. I suggest that if you want to learn more, you can just go to lumen5.com, go to pricing, and you can just compare them. But they offer basic, starter, and professional plans, and then we have the enterprise. So compare them, see which one suits you best, and if you want to upgrade, feel free to do so. But let's just get started with the free version and show you how it works. So just go to lumen5.com and then click on sign up for free. And then here you will need to just go ahead and create your account. It's going to be a very basic account creation or signing up process. So if this just loads in, hold on, wait a sec. So yeah, you have full name, work email, and then password, and you can just go ahead and sign up using that. So, or you can sign up using Facebook if you want to. So basically, I'm just going to go ahead, create my account, and get back to you in the dashboard. So once you finish up the signing up, there is going to be some sort of signing up or setting up, process. So you would want to enter your brand colors. For example, let's just go red and black for the time being, or maybe just yellow and black and yellow maybe. Even though I like red more, but just stick with this. Neutral colors, we can just make it gray, maybe darker gray. So just set up those brand colors. Why? Because when you actually create the videos, you'll have the option to choose colors for the background of the videos, and you may just use the brand colors for just to make things easier for yourself. So just click on continue, and we should be in this page here. And let me just skip this. Basically, what was shown is a few templates to choose from, which is going to basically allow us to, create videos from those templates. But we can just go back to the dashboard right now. Usually, you just want to go to the dashboard first, before we jump into anything. Let me just explain what we have in the dashboard. So here, basically, you have your video section where you can just go ahead and create your new videos. We have instant videos as well. You have also brand kits, which I believe were the colors that we just added. And we can also create a new one if you want. We have saved templates and analytics. So for the time being, we can, because analytics, by the way, because you can actually publish your videos within Lumen 5, so that's why you may have analytics. But regardless, let's just jump into the video creation. And by the way, you have your profile here where you can just set up a few things like account settings and all of those things. But to create a new video, you can just click on new video. And this is going to basically, again, take us to the templates that we can just choose from. So here we have some templates we can choose from, and we can just go ahead, see which one suits us best, and go for it. For example, I may go for this Oasis one. I think it looks kind of nice. So yeah, let me just say, for example, I'm just going to go for this one. You can just preview if you want, which is just going to show us a little preview of the actual templates. Okay, so I'm just going to use it. You do have the ability to actually format it, so whether it's going to be horizontal and those other aspects as well if you want to choose them. But I'm just going to stick with this one and click on use this template. Great, so now we have the next step, which is going to be how you want to get started. So here you have text on media, which is just going to be, videos with text. You have AI voiceover, which is going to, like I said, I think with the free version, you'll be able to have 2 minutes of AI voiceover. So you can actually just use this. And then we have your normal voiceover. So if you can just record your own voice, talk about, you just have a script, talk to the microphone, save it, and you can just upload it over here. And then we have talking head. I'm just going to go for the most basic one, which is text on video. And then here we have whether paste text, outline an idea, import a URL, or upload a document. So here, and also you can upload an image. If you have an outline and idea, it's going to give us some questions, and we will need to answer them as more details as possible. And this is just going to help the AI understand better, and it's just going to create a text for us. If it's paste a text, then you would want to just paste your text. Maybe you can generate some text from ChatGPT, and you can just insert it over there. I'm just going to go for this one, outline an idea. I'm just going to write a few things here and I will get back to you once I'm done. I need to note one more thing. Make sure you add as much detail as possible if you want it to be, as more accurate as possible. Because if you add more details, the AI is going to understand it more and is going to generate a more or better script, basically. Okay, so for some reason I had the bright idea to talk about reptiles. I just added some details here. What makes reptiles different? What is the largest reptile? And then what do reptiles eat? Like I don't love reptiles, so this is why. And if you want to add more, you can just feel free to click on add more details and just do that. But for the time being, I'm just going to stick with this and click on compose script. And it's actually just going to create it for us now. I'm just going to skip. Okay, it was actually very fast. I thought it is going to take much longer. But here we can just go ahead and actually read through it. And we can just go ahead and see reptiles are fascinating creatures and so on. And this is how it's going to basically look like. So if you're not pleased with this and how the type of generation of the AI, if you think it's too small or something, you can just feel free to go back and paste your own script. You can always do that. So remember that you can always just paste your own. But I think this will do. This will do for this video. So I'm just going to go ahead, say I like it, and click on continue. And here we can just edit our script here. So we can actually go ahead and edit each section here if we want to. Now, I'm not going to do it, but you can feel free to actually do it. I believe that it was a long, yeah. So you can just feel free to do it. You can also delete or add a block below. So you can always do that. So here it says that you can publish 2-minute videos on the free plan. So you will need to make sure that you don't exceed that. Otherwise, it's going to ask you to upgrade. So now that we have this done, convert to video. And now it may take a little bit of time. So I'm just going to skip ahead until it's done. Okay, so now it's done. Let's just talk about what we have in the editing section. In the editing section, we have the media tab. Here we can just upload the media. For example, we don't like this one. We can just feel free to replace it with this media, basically. So we can just go to the media tab, get GIFs, videos. You can upload your own and you can have recents to choose from. So here we have the icons as well. Mostly are going to be premium. So keep that in mind. And I believe if you want to upload, you still will need a premium. So you cannot really use a lot of icons if you're on the free version. Here you have the voice, which you can upload your own voiceover to match the video. You have some background music or sounds. Here we have style, which you can actually change a little bit. So if you want to change the style of the actual thing here, you can also do so. But I believe still custom styling is available in our starter plan and up. So you can't really use it on your free version. And then we have the formatting, which we already chose this, so we're not going to change it. Video resolution, like I said, you only get 720 with the free version. So, like I said, I showed you exactly how to change media. For example, we don't like this one. Again, we can just choose one from here. We can search for reptiles. Let's put this cute turtle here, and it's going to change it. So we can see here, reptiles are fascinating creatures. And we can click on preview, and it's just going to show us the preview of the video. The one that I chose wasn't really too much of a video, so let's see other ones. For example, this one, preview. You can see that is going to work like that. And then we have a swap design here. If we click on that, it's going to show us the exact same media. It's just going to show us different designs for it. So if, for example, we like this one, we can just click on that, and it's going to change. If you want to change the text, you can also do so. We can change or add highlights if you want. So we can just click on that, and you can see we have some sort of highlights. We can move it up and down, and we can duplicate them as well. So here you can just feel free to edit the whole thing as you would like. And then after you're done with this, we can just go ahead and save. Yeah, the largest reptile is the saltwater crocodile. Okay, so pretty much saved. Click on publish, and it's just going to publish it for us, and we will be able to simply download the actual video once it's done with the publication. Sorry. So loading, and then we have the download option here, which is just going to show up once it's done loading. But we can just view the video here already. I'm not really going to download it because, you know, it's right here. So you can see the video, see whether you like it or not. And yeah, this is pretty much how to use Lumen5 to create your... Sorry about that. Okay, so this is pretty much how to use Lumen5 to create your videos here. So it's very simple and easy to do, and I hope that you have liked this video and found it to be helpful, and thanks for watching.